Good, good morning, children. Today we shall read lesson 4 of your social studies book, that is Zaire, the land of dense forests. Zaire is the name of a country in Africa, and Zaire is the name of a river also from which this country derives its name. Name of a country, name of a river. Let us have a look at this world map. This line is equator, and this dotted line is the Tropic of Cancer, and this dotted line is the Tropic of Capricorn. And the areas, the regions which fall on both sides of equator are very hot. They are very wet also, hot and wet. When there is moisture in the air, when there is heat, in so much heat, what is the result? The result is a lot of vegetation. So here in this area, as this area is the wettest and the hottest, so very huge and thick trees grow over here. This green portion you can see, this green, this very huge and tall trees grow, and they are called equatorial forests. And this type of climate is called tropical climate. So Zaire is here. Zaire is here in Africa. So this country has tropical type of climate, and equatorial, a major portion of this country is covered with equatorial forests. So what happens here? Very tall trees grow. Very tall trees grow. These trees form a type of canopy of leaves. Why? These trees make a canopy of leaves. Why? It is because when so many trees grow at the same time in the very small, this area is not so big, very near to each other, what happens? They want sunlight. In order to get sunlight, they compete with each other to grow. They keep on growing, and underneath those trees grow shrubs and herbs and climbers, not many. And the trees have broad leaves, so sunlight, very less sunlight, or no, means they are very dark. The forests become very, very dark. So it is very difficult to pass through these forests, and the wood is very hard wood. The trees have very hard wood. And what type of trees grow? You can see from your book. Mahogany, ebony, rubber, coconut, teak, bamboo, and oil palms. These type of trees: mahogany, ebony, rubber, coconut, teak, bamboo, and oil palms. Learn their names. And these trees, all the trees do not shed their leaves at the same time, so it is always green. So these type of trees are called evergreen trees. And this area is always having rain, it is always wet, and it is always hot. So this area is called ever hot and ever wet. Let us have a look at this map also. This is Zaire. This is Zaire, and it lies in the basin of river Zaire. As earlier I have said in the beginning of the lesson, the name of the river is also Zaire. And this country gets its name from that river also. So see, children, look, river Zaire, and so many tributaries. Oh my God, wow. So many tributaries. Wow. They are there. This country, Zaire, lies in the basin of river Zaire. So Zaire river has so many tributaries also. So children, in our next before 1971, Zaire was called Democratic Republic of Congo. Its name was DC Congo, and this river Zaire was also called Congo. But now we are calling it Zaire, and the country's name is changed to Zaire. In our next video, we shall learn about the wildlife, lifestyle of the people, their economic resources, transportation also. So thank you, children. Read and enjoy this lesson till pages 27. Thank you.